Another new look out, Trey. Got that melted hairline on deck. I ain't mad at you with the little side part, little swoop-de swoop, little swoop-de swoop side part, something like. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibing seas, but alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free. Forget it forever, never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless ya, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. You hate to party, but never forget my birthday. Birthday, work, ay, hit me where it hurts, ay. I go berserk, they drinking like they thirsty, and in the worst way, just to numb the hurt, babe. Living like the worst day, thinking I've been cursed, ay. You gotta work late, sinking in the worst way, worst way, worst day. I can feel the hurt, babe, hurt, babe, hurt, babe. I can feel the worst pain. Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. This is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Harper and the color number 2. So the construction on this unit, you do get your typical 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps and an elastic band. It does come pre-plucked in HD lace, as you do get with all of these Outre Melted Hairline collection units. This is a left side part, and I ain't mad at it, honey. The parting space is just to the left, as you can see. And that hairline, honey, sorry if it's coming off a little bit shiny on camera, but that is from my edge booster. So this does come pre-plucked all around the frontal, and it does come with baby hairs as always. So the texture on this unit is like a very, very, very light Yaki. It feels pretty good. The density on it, if I had to guess, I would say it's about 150%. It's a really good amount of hair. It's not too thin, but it's definitely not too thick either. This is actually everything to the front, and as you can see, the length on this comes above my boobs, so it's that very natural length, which I like a lot. I think this curl pattern is super cute as well, and this one definitely is coming off small, medium, and big head friendly, so that's really good. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this unit's looking like all around. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. I don't necessarily really have any cons on this unit, besides it being a little bit humpy up here, but you can apply heat up to 400 degrees if you want to get rid of that little humpage that's going on. And other than that, this unit did tangle and shed a little bit. Actually, it definitely didn't necessarily tangle, but it definitely shed a little bit, so keep that in mind as well. But yeah, like I said, I don't really necessarily have any negatives or any cons with this unit. It does definitely remind me a lot of the Outre Zephyrine unit that I just reviewed, so if you are interested in this one, definitely check out that review as well, because this is ridiculously similar to that. The pros on this unit is, as always, since it is from that Melted Hairline collection, I really do love the hairline.
hairline. I like the baby hairs. I like the fact that they do give you the option to use sideburns if you wanted to. I like the curl pattern. I feel like it's cute. I really like the length. I feel like this is going to be good for everyday wear. It was super easy to throw on, definitely beginner friendly. It definitely seems like a pretty good quality. The texture is nice, the density is nice, the curl patterns are cute. This is just all in all a super cute unit. So that's honestly pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors, and until then I hope to see you soon. Bye.